Hey there DIY coders, welcome to HTML Quickie, where we brainwash you with HTML tags so you don't have to. And before we get started, there will be a video link down in the description below for you to check out, just in case you're a beginner or you have only a rough idea what HTML is. I do recommend that you check out that video. But if you're all good, let's go ahead with this video and have you prepared with a text editor and a web browser. And let's not forget that you need to have those two applications open to the file we'll be working on. And if you need to, pause the video to have this copied. If you're all good though, we'll get started. So we'll be learning something called the mark tag. So mark, I'll just write out the mark tag here. There we go. And then in between, I will write this is highlighted text. Go with that, save, and then my browser will refresh. If you need to, press the refresh button, or you can use the shortcut key on your keyboard. And you'll notice that our text here on the browser is highlighted in comparison to what we typically see on most tags. So we'll take the P tag, for example, and we'll write it in this is not highlighted text. Save, refresh. All right, so yeah, this is as simple as that. Typically text do not show up as highlighted text, whereas when we use the mark tag, it shows up as highlighted text. If you found this video helpful, please highlight that thumbs up button. If you found this video unhelpful, well, you can highlight that thumbs down button. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. Subscribe to my channel if you think I've earned it. And something that I keep forgetting to tell you is to click that bell icon so that you can be notified of my next video. That's all for this video. I thank you for watching. See you guys next time.